So friends, let's see today's lovely sweet corn soup with no corn flour or anything added. Now here I've taken 2 cobs of corn, or you can use 1.5 cup of corn. So here I'm just taking off the corn from the cob. It's very easy and it comes off very easily. Now once that is done, I'm going to add about 3 cups of water to a pan, and I'm going to boil the corn. I'm going to add a little bit of salt to taste, and we're going to boil this corn for exactly 5 minutes because we want the corn to be nice and cooked. And then we're going to drain all the excess water. Now don't get rid of the water. We're going to use this as a stock for our soup. Now I have ground about 3/4 of the quantity of the corn into a very fine paste by adding a little of the water, and I've retained 1/4 to add to the soup. So this is the water. Now I've taken another pan and I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of olive oil. You can add olive oil, you can add regular oil, or you can even add butter. Now I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of very finely chopped garlic. So I've used about 4 cloves of garlic and chopped it really fine. Now fry the garlic in the oil. Next I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of finely chopped onions. Now I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of finely chopped capsicum. Now if you have some cabbage at hand, you can add about 2 tablespoons of finely chopped cabbage. I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of finely chopped carrots. If you have spring onion, you can add about a tablespoon or 2 tablespoons of finely chopped spring onion at this point too. So we're going to fry all of this really well together. And now I'm going to add the pureed corn. So all I did was take the drained corn which we had boiled and let it cool to room temperature, and then ground it to this thick puree by adding a little of the stock that we were boiling the corn in, and get a nice thick paste like this. Now fry this along with all the veggies that we added. And now I'm going to add the stock that we boiled the corn in. And now just stir everything really well together. So the corn itself is so thick that we don't need to add any corn slurry or anything. Now I'm just going to add some salt to taste. So this is a completely natural corn soup without any kind of flour or anything added to it. Now I'm going to add a teaspoon of pepper. So you can adjust the salt and pepper as per your taste. And now I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of green chili sauce. This adds a little bit of a nice spicy flavor to this sauce. Now if you don't have green chili sauce at hand, you can just chop up some fine green chilies and add it at the time when you add the garlic and the onions. But this green chili sauce is really good. And I'm just going to add the remaining boiled corn. And now we're going to simmer this for about 5 minutes till everything really comes together. Now give this a taste and adjust it as per your taste. And that's it guys, your lovely sweet corn soup is all ready and it's really delicious.